Okay, I'm super excited to be announcing a special partnership that I have with the Korean Tourism Organization of New York. You guys, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. This is something new that's never been done before, and I am honored that they've chosen to partner with me because they really care about vegan travel right now, and they want people like you, vegan travelers and vegan travel enthusiasts, to just like learn more about it. So let me just take it back a little bit, little context. So if you've been following me for a while, you may have seen that I traveled to Seoul last year. I had a blast. I kind of went all over Asia, so make sure to check out that little playlist here because let me tell you, Asia has amazing vegan food to offer. But I was most excited about Seoul because your girl over here loves K-dramas. Okay, if you guys watch K-dramas, please drop in the comments which ones your favorites are because I will be sharing back which ones I watched too. So I would see the food that they're eating, the shopping centers that they're going to, the picturesque, beautiful like places they see, the overview like of the city, the river, and I'm just like, I want to experience it all. I want to experience the city, the views, the food, the culture, the beauty, everything. So I did, and I loved it. What did that make me do? It made me say, I would love to go back during the springtime or a different time and experience everything that I either missed or just experience this culture again because I had so much fun. So when you want to go visit a place twice, you know it was good, okay? So they have offered a all vegan itinerary with limited spots. This has never been done before. And I am super excited to share with you what is included in this trip. They have a 4-day, 3-night itinerary, okay? Which is very similar to what I actually did. I experienced a lot of this with my friends. It was 4 full days, 3 nights. You can do quite a bit too. But the tour and itinerary that they have just sounds amazing. So you have the options of 4 and 5-star hotels, okay? They don't cheap out. And let me tell you, Korean culture, they love their glam, and that's what I love. I love that they love that. So things that you'll be doing, it's just like naming a few. So there's the Dongdaemun Design Plaza, okay? And you're gonna be able to experience the arts district, the design, the Grand Palace. If you didn't know, if you rent a hanbok, which once you get to the big main palace, you see a lot of these hanbok like rental places, and we're like, what's going on? You see everybody dressed up in traditional clothing because when you dress up, you get to enter into the palace for free, right? Because they want you to really experience that traditional like experience, etc. And it's beautiful. You will want to go on a photo shoot spree because trust me, that is one thing I was like, okay, when I come back here, I'm doing the hanbok thing because I was like, I really wish I did it. So it's just amazing. You see everybody dressed up in, you know, traditional clothing and attire, and the palace is just amazing. It's so picturesque. There's rivers, there's benches, there's like, you know, just like beautiful architecture. So that's definitely something you have to experience. And then they have, of course, you know, we're in Seoul, so they have an arts district, which is called Insadong, right? So it's like super trendy and artsy and have these cool cafes and restaurants. There was quite a few vegan restaurants in that area as well. Then there's the design shopping district, which of course, K-beauty, hello. I definitely did some damage at some of these stores because I was like, I want all the K-beauty. So, you know, and it's just cool to see like all those shopping centers and areas, right? One thing that they also have planned that I didn't get to do on my trip is the Seoul Tower. So you get to go up to the Seoul Tower, and then there's this beautiful like view that you get from the cable car, so you can see the whole view of the city as well. And then of course, all of these details are listed in the itinerary that I'm going to be linking below. And you are also going to be able to participate in a kimchi class, you guys. Kimchi. Let me just tell you, okay, I had amazing food there, but do you want to know what my favorite thing was that I ate the entire trip? It was the kimchi. You have never tried amazing kimchi until you've gone to Korea and tried the kimchi there. It was so good. And of course I tried these at the vegan restaurants. I was like, I have never tried kimchi this flavorful at restaurants in the US. Korean restaurants, sure, the kimchi's good, but then this was on a whole nother level. It was like the perfect spicy and had the perfect saltiness, and I loved it. I was like, I would love to learn how to make kimchi, vegan kimchi, right? The other thing I really like is that they want to immerse you into the whole spiritual practices of Korean tradition, right? So we'd be going to a temple and learning about the background of how the religious and the monks how they've contributed to like vegan food, right? Because that has a big influence. Like temple food is all vegan, right? So I think that'd be really interesting to learn about that and kind of participate and just like educate ourselves on that aspect of the culture. And then another thing that I really like is they've picked out this restaurant during one of the days called A Blossom Flower on the Rice. It's in the Michelin Guide, recommended. It's not a Michelin star, but it's recommended on the Michelin Guide. It's beautiful. It's like again, a huge experience, experiential eating, right? But it's all vegan. And I just love that the tourism organization is really promoting vegan travel, right? And if this is something you've always wanted to do, if you've always wanted to go visit Korea, again, this is an opportunity that's just gonna be amazing, and it's definitely worth it. I've been, and I'm telling you, it was gonna be so much fun if you sign up. And it's during like the springtime, it's late May 27th through the 30th, right? And the cherry blossoms have blossomed. It's gonna be beautiful. I cannot wait to see what this is gonna look like. So if you guys want to sign up or learn more, you can definitely click on the link below and I will share more information with you. You can also DM me on Instagram. Again, there's limited spots and you need to sign up quick because this trip is happening soon. So if you want to get your details in order, you got to sign up. The prices are like $12.35 to $14.35, depending if you want the 4-star experience or the 5-star experience. I mean, if you might as well go all bougie, right? Like, if you're gonna do this, you may as well go all out. But I think this is definitely one you guys need to participate in if you're interested. So I'm also going to be linking my Seoul video so you guys can get some ideas of the things and activities that you will be participating in, because I covered a lot of them. So you got a cousin, you got a sister, you got a brother, you got a bestie, you got somebody, a mom, dad, husband, wife that's always wanted to go to Seoul as a vegan. Now is the chance. And you can meet other vegan friends along the way. It's just an amazing experience within the vegan community, and to be a part of this like amazing experience, like a pioneer experience, because the first time a travel organization, the tourism organization directly of the country is being like, no, we want vegans to come on this like trip. We want them to experience our country, our big cities vegan, because it can be done. You know, I give them props. I think that's great. So make sure to check it out. And I'll catch you next time on Ready to Be.